How to install the MetaMask wallet.
It's a Chrome extension or a Firefox extension. So below this video you're going to see download MetaMask. Click on that button and that's going to bring you to this screen, and all you need to do is to click on download, and I'm going to click download. Now I'm in Firefox. You can use it with Firefox and you can use it with Google Chrome. Install MetaMask to Firefox, add to Firefox, click on add again. So in the top right hand corner I'm just going to click put a tick in that arrow there and click OK. I've got it. So what I want to do is come up to this little icon which is a fox in the top right hand corner here. Click on that, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a new account. So as you can see, it brings me to a window like this. I'm going to click get started, and what I'm going to do is to create a new wallet. So I'm going to click on this button here, the blue one. So make sure you read the information and you agree to it. So I'm just going to click agree. Now it's going to ask me to set up a password. Agree to the terms and conditions. If you want to read them, you just click there, and I'm going to click create. And now I've got this lock here. Now what it's going to reveal is my secret words. So I'm going to click on that, and now what I need to do is to write down these secret words. Once you've made a note of those, click next. And now what it's going to ask you to do is to put the words in the correct order. Once you've done that, click confirm. Congratulations, you've now just set up your MetaMask. So I'm just going to click all done, and as you can see at the moment I don't have any balance in there whatsoever.